Vivo is working on the X200T for the Indian market, and purported specs for it were already leaked back in December. It will look very similar to the X200 FE. It's supposedly coming in the last week of January for 50,000 Indian rupees to 55,000 Indian rupees. Vivo X200T is likely to come with 6.67-inch display with 1.5K resolution panel. The screen is also said to support a 120 Hz refresh rate, include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. The phone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, up to 16GB RAM along with higher storage options. Run on Android 16 out of the box. It is said to get 5 Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches. The device could feature a triple rear camera setup with 350MP sensors, a Sony LYT702 main, a Samsung JN1 ultrawide, and a periscope telephoto lens. For selfies, the Vivo X200T is said to feature a 32MP front camera. The Vivo X200T is tipped to pack a 6,200 mAh battery. Charging support is said to include 90W wired fast charging and 40W wireless charging. Let's wait for the official confirmations to come from the brand. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.